Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, if you're new here, hi, welcome to this video. I spilled all my bobby pins and clips everywhere on the floor right as I set up this camera, so I'm just gonna be narrowly avoiding those as we kind of do these hairstyles. If you guys clicked on this video, you've obviously seen the title, which is just some easy, simple hair inspo for events. I think these would be good to wear as a bridesmaid, as someone who could be graduating this year, as prom, maybe, I don't know. I'm from Canada, we don't really have proms, but let's just get into the video. I'm gonna just move you up slightly. So the first inspo is quite easy. I air wrapped my hair this morning, so it has a little bit of movement in it, but honestly, nothing crazy. I do not have my curling iron right now. Otherwise, I would have done like a full head of curls. Step one of this hairstyle is you're just gonna part out these little front pieces. And then we're gonna take a ponytail and just clip the rest of that hair back. And then we're gonna take these little front pieces and we are just going to twist them towards the back. Once they're behind your ear, you're gonna take a little elastic and just secure it. Right? And then you tuck it behind, perfect. These are especially good for any girlies like me who have bangs, because we all know bangs are the hardest to manage. I kind of look like a Teletubby right now, is what I'm giving. Okay, tuck that behind your ear. And then these feel very secure to me behind my ears, so unless I'm playing with them, they're not coming out. And then you grab this over top. And then next step, take all your hair out. I'm gonna grab a little piece of hair right from under here, not grabbing this section. So the section that's tucked behind your ear, do not grab that. Grab from right beside it. So I'm just gonna take this piece, and essentially what I'm gonna do is just fishtail braid it. So that means you split it in two, grab a little section, over, under, grab a little section, over, under. Okay, and then what you're gonna do once that's all braided is you're just gonna put another little teeny elastic right on the end of that. So cute, it's like a little braid. It is a little braid, is essentially what it is. And then I'm gonna pull it apart just a tiny bit. Right, I have quite short hair, so I don't wanna pull this apart too much because I want to keep it as long as possible. And I'm gonna grab it, I'm gonna tuck it right underneath these hairs that are kind of coming down. So it's more of like that little headband look. Now, obviously, if you have longer hair than me, this hairstyle is gonna work out very good for you. You kind of pull that over. You can tease it a little bit, depending on kind of the vibes you want, but I quite like it just a little bit flat. And then make sure those pieces are still tucked behind your ears, the rest is over top, and that's look number one. But this is the back. I don't know, I think it's so cute. It keeps your hair out of your face all day. If it's windy, the wind will be going places. So yeah, this is look number one. Okay, perfect. On to hairstyle number two. Now we're gonna brush out the hair. And for this next one, we're gonna do more of a side part. I'm gonna go on this side because it's just what we're feeling today. We're gonna leave out this part of my bang and this part of my bang. I'm just gonna pull the rest of the hair in a nice, I would say quite tight bun. Like we're going for slick with this look, besides these little front pieces. Because remember people, we're going for simple. Simple and timeless. Try to make sure that there's no gapping in all your little hairs that are being slicked around. Just put it in a ponytail. And now that we're all in a ponytail, you're gonna split this in two. And you're gonna twist them away from each other. And then around each other. And we're just gonna go in a little top knot kind of a deal right here. And then you're gonna secure that with another ponytail. And that's when you start pulling this bad boy apart. And you want it to be quite pulled apart. You want it to be quite like tight up here and then very nice and kind of messy at the back. And the reason why it's okay if it's a little bit floppy is because we're just gonna secure all those little pieces that we pulled out with bobby pins. So just kind of feel around what is not sitting in place really nice and just pin that down. So I have secured most of it down with bobby pins. As you can see, if I shake my head, she's not moving. The bangs are moving because I haven't hairsprayed them yet, but the bun is secure. And then I'm just gonna take this little like pearl clip And we are just gonna stick it kind of right in this bottom section, just to give it some dramatic flair, you know? And I don't care if my bun is specifically circular. I just want it to look very elegant and sleek. Okay, so I thought I was done, but I'm not done because I ended up finding just a couple more pearl pins. I'm gonna put these ones up there. Guys, this is so cute, and it's gonna stay all day. So I'm just grabbing this hairspray, and I'm just spraying down where I kind of want these bangs to fall. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you guys try it and you have thoughts on it, tweaks on it, let me know. But other than that, have a good day.